Hey guys, welcome back to the new vlog. I got an email a couple hours ago that this Naruto volume I have just sold on Etsy. I've been selling them like hotcakes, guys. Like, oof. I actually need to put the last two up and I'll be out of these Naruto manga I don't read. I have more, it's just that I have my personal information in them, so I can't really sell them. But if I didn't have my personal information in them, I would have got rid of them too. Because, like, I love me some Naruto, but I don't go back to read the mangas. I just kind of bought them just because it was Naruto. So I will film me packaging this up because I have to go out tomorrow anyway to go shopping for the fam, so I can go ahead and just mail this out. Guys, I just got home from shopping and here's my new Otaku USA book. I kind of ruined the surprise of I'm paging it on camera, but yep, it's The Promised Neverland. Everyone's obsessed with the show, so I might check it out. I don't know. I'm so behind with anime, and my Prince also came too because I want to get back into Prince. So I will show you that after I eat because I is hungry. So see you later. Oh my gosh, guys, I'll be so ready when I can get my new phone. I should be getting a new phone in the next couple of weeks, probably the next 4 weeks after the convention, because this one is just not working that much anymore. So anyways, I got some prints. Oops, you almost saw my address from Shutterfly. I got test prints of my Aiko drawing and my Ren from Shelter, and I want to show you how they look like. They're not that bad, but they could be better, but I'll show you, so hold on. Alright, so here's the Aiko print. These actually don't look bad on camera, but when you get really close to them, they kind of do look really off-putting. I don't know if it's just because they use newer paper, because I don't remember them using this paper before, but I don't know. It's just like, it looks like some of the color bled on certain areas. Maybe it's just me, but that's how Aiko turned out, and I really love how Ren turned out. Look at that. Like, the colors match perfectly. Like, oh my gosh, I really want to sell these. Only got 5 of each, so I'll try to put them on my Store Envy and Etsy. I feel like I will do better with Etsy, but I'm just not so keen on selling Aiko because something about it, I just don't like it. I really wanted to make a sticker of Ren too, but I might actually get rid of the background when I make the sticker, so it's just her. So I don't know, it'll all come together. So yeah, that I just wanted to show you how they look like because oof, I like them. I actually really do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on Etsy and see if I get good results. Completely forgot I had space on my phone, but today is Thursday afternoon. We're currently at a store because my brother wanted to get something, but I've been outside cutting the grass. I've been doing everything else besides things for myself, so I got a few things from the store and we're just gonna head home. My video for Friday should be closely uploaded because I started at around like 9 because I woke up at like 6 a.m. I don't know why I woke up at 6, but I did, and I stayed awake, so here I am. So more than likely I'm gonna go to bed early today because I gotta go to work tomorrow at 12. I was supposed to go in at 3, so that's all Gucci. But yeah, I'll see you guys later because I think the people beside me is looking at me, so It's Sunday morning. I'm actually wearing one of my manager's shirts because she gave me and my grandma a lot of clothes. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling this shirt, guys. I'm feeling it. I'm actually wearing some black capris with those sandals you guys see me in all the time. But I'm feeling myself, guys. I feel like I'm like $5. I don't feel a million, but I feel like 5, which is good enough for me. But I just got to do my hair and I'll be done because we have to be out here in like 12 minutes because we gotta go to church today. That's the reason why I'm all dressed up, all fancy and stuff.
いい感じかも。え？ミストン塗り？どういうことこれ
？Guys, I don't know why I'm so emotional. Like, I'm just like, what? So cute. It was so cute. Ah, my gosh. I can't even. Alrighty guys, so I just got finished watching Mischievous Kiss Season 2. I don't know why it took me so long to watch the series, my bad. Like I said, I think I said it in one of these parts, I actually watched the Chinese version of this drama actually, and I was like, okay, it's cute, and once I saw it on Netflix, I'm like, hey, I've seen something like this, so let me just watch the original. And guys, this has won me over. Like, the Chinese version is nothing compared to this. I'm sitting there crying at the ending scene once you see them. I don't know if I should say because I don't know if it's spoiling it, but it came out 5 years ago and I took a clip of the ending. But once I saw them with their little girl, it just made me cry because they really came a long way for their love. And I love in season 2 that they didn't let nobody stop them from telling them that they don't love each other. I feel like Kotoko in the beginning was kind of meh. She was like, oh my god, she doesn't love me, but I felt like she kind of got it that he does love her. Cooking some ramyeon. I like how the fire is like blue, but in real life is red. That's so weird. Alrighty guys, it is Tuesday afternoon. I'm actually getting ready to color this little doodle Nautica tried to hide as our address part when she sent me that package, which is right here. I'm gonna color it because I think it'll be super cool to color her actual line art, and it's a dragon babe, so why not? Alrighty guys, I finished coloring the little doodle Nautica tried to hide. I don't know if you can see it that well in this lighting. Hopefully it comes through. I don't know if it is, but hopefully later on it'll come through because it actually turned out super good. There we go. You can see it a lot better, and it says goodbye in the middle of it because I don't know. I felt like this would be a sad picture, but yes, I love how it turned out. Yay! Alrighty guys, so it's way later in the night, so right now I'm going to make a budget list for how much I'm going to spend on each thing at the convention I'm going to. Like I said, I normally don't go to this one at all, but since me and my sister is being really ambitious this year, I thought, hey, why not make a budget list, because I legit was shopping earlier, and I was looking at junk food, because I love junk food, as you can see, love junk food, and I was looking at the prices, and I'm like, it's hecka expensive. Like, I don't look, normally when I get paid, I'm just like, let me get whatever I want and just buy it. But now I'm just really looking at the prices of things and I'm just like, wow, that's expensive. Alrighty guys, it's Wednesday morning. I totally forgot to show off this little keychain I got from Nautica of Dawn. She recently made acrylic keychains. One is of Miku and the other one is of Dawn, and I got the bae Dawn. It's so cute. I had her put her on my keychain board I have up here. So yes, she is selling these on her store. When I made the unboxing of that video, which will be after this, I didn't know for sure, so I will link her store up down below. And you can get one of these if they're not sold out already because I can kind of guess these are kind of going to go fast, so please click the link if you want to get a acrylic keychain from Nautica. Yep, that's it guys, so thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. I meant to record this a lot earlier on today, but I got stuck doing stuff and I couldn't do it until now. So yes, if you guys can't see, which you really can't, this is actually a package from Nautica. I am super excited to get this in email, and I'm like, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this open and I will come right on back to you guys, so hold on. I keep forgetting I actually have a X-Acto knife now, so I use that to actually cut the top open. So let's see what's inside. Yee! Okay, All right, so I'm gonna pull it out. Ooh, okay. I see stubs. All right. So, oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my gosh. If you guys didn't know, Nautica just made these acrylic charms that you should have seen already on Instagram, and ooh, she sent me one, and she says, I hope you like Nyrel. Love you lots. I love you too. Ooh. She made a Dawn one, and she made Miku, and I got Dawn. I got the baby Dawn. Okay, I gotta pull this a lot closer up to the screen, but look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. This is her business card. It's all pearlescent and pretty. So guys, I highly recommend you go to Nautica's store and get one of these. I don't know if she has them up yet, but if she does, I'll link it down below. But thank you so much, Nautica. You didn't have to do this, but oh, I love it so much. That's it, guys. So thank you so much, Nautica, again, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.